Eyes are among the five senses that help us get information about what is going in the world. We see through eyes that take light and images and convert them into electrical impulses that our brain can understand. But how do our eyes record and send images? Let's have a look at the part of our eyes and how do they work. The sclera is the tough white skin covering the entire outside of your eyeball, excluding the cornea. The cornea is the glassy layer covering the front of your eyes. It is transparent like a glass, having no blood vessels in it. The cornea focuses on light that comes into your eyes and it makes sure that your eyes record clear images. The lens helps the cornea to focus light onto the retina. It can also become thicker or thinner to make the picture as clear as possible. The tiny muscles surrounding the lens are known as ciliary muscles that squeeze and relax to change the shape of the lens. Iris is the color part of your eye that controls the amount of light that enter your eye. Irises are most commonly brown, green or blue. The pupil is defined as the hole in the middle of the color iris. It allows light to enter your eye. It gets tiny in bright light and bigger in dull light. The cornea and lens focus light onto the retina. It contains two types of cells known as the rods and the cones. Rods process black and white, whereas cones process colors. The primary function of rods and cones is to convert images into electrical messages sent to the brain. The optic nerve is defined as a path that connects the eye and the brain. The optic nerve sends electrical messages from the retina to the brain. The blind spot is the spot where the optic nerve joins onto the retina. It is not sensitive to light because there are no rods and cones present there. Eyelids protect your eyes. Eyelids shut out the light so that you can sleep, and they will shut very fast if something is trying to get into your eyes. Eyelids blink to keep the cornea moist instead of dry. An eyelash protects dust and other particles from entering the eyes. Tear glands are located in the upper eyelid and it produces tears that keep your eyeball clean and moist in order to protect it from damage. Additionally, your eyes hold two types of fluid, aqueous humor, vitreous humor. Aqueous humor is a clear liquid that is present between the lens and the cornea. It provides necessary nutrients to the cornea and lens and also protects the cornea. Vitreous humor is defined as a jelly-like substance that fills the space between the lens and the retina. It helps the eye in keeping its shape and it also holds the retina in place. So, the eyes are one of the important senses that help us to see. All the different parts of the eyes work together so that we can see properly. Eyes are amazing, therefore we need to look after them carefully.